Today, let's find out what's inside an Ultraball. I think it's a D23. I think the last one I opened was the same Pokeball one, so we should get the same packs, or at least similar. Sword and Shield, I think they are. Can I ever actually peel this open? Bang. Yeah, let's see what we got. We've got Lost Origin, 2 stickers, Fusion Strike, and Silver Tempest. Got on this order here. Seal you back up, stick you there. We'll go Silver Tempest for the first one. We'll just go in order of what's down there. Pack number 1, Silver Tempest, Ultra Ball, let's go. So it's 4 in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got our code. Golbat, Sigalip, Braxton, Fire, Beldum, Krogunk, Solisys, Zubat, Eligima, Armaldo, and Archeops. So add the total of his pack on screen. On to the next. Stick you up on the way. Number 2 will be Lost Origins. Pack number 2, Lost Origins. Let's go. Let's get him re-introed. Pack number 2, Lost Origins. Let's go. There we go. Now we've got 4 to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Code card. Carbink. Toolbox. Lake. Fire. Bronzor, Electrike, Ghast, Barnacle, Murkrow, Pikachu, and Mimikyu. So add the total to his pack on screen. On to the third and final pack, Fusion Strike. Right, we're back. Phone ended up running out of storage again. Just cleared some spares. Pack number 3, let's go. Fusion Strike. Pack number 3. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Code, Trevant, Excadrill, Judge, Psychic, Mankey, Krogunk, Panzer, Goomy, Arcadol, Bearware, and Deoxys. So add the total to his pack on screen. I'll add the total for his full ball on screen. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you all next time.